Do that. Oh my! I think we'll go right there. It's not a very large piece that you're cutting. It's very small. You can probably just cut it out. So, when you're putting words together, I recommend you look at it and be sure that it's an acceptable word for an album. So you don't put together a word that might surprise somebody. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and distress that. And I'm going to tape that on there. Or, sorry, I'm not going to tape it on there. I'm going to glue it. Oh, I need a little wet one. I don't know what I did with them. Okay. So there we have it. It does show, but it did fix the book. And really, if you put one of these up here, did the same thing, it would look like an addition to the book. So I may do that. I may go ahead and put something up there, and maybe I'll put something over here too. I don't know yet. But that did fix that crack in the book. So it's not going to go any further. And that was what we needed to do. Okay. So, here we are. We are ready to stop for today. And we will pick back up with page 3. Page 3 looks like this. And it has these. Now remember, on this one I said we are going to fix it. We have two choices. We can leave this section on, or we can take that front door off and just do this section with the pocket there and pockets here. The problem was this page got too fat because of these. And the reason I had to use these was because this envelope does not provide enough room from there to there for a magnet at all. In order to put a magnet on this, we would have to reface it with a full piece and put a magnet in so it would attach. So we have to decide, what should we do? Oh, I wish you could tell me what you want to do. Maybe you can. Let me know. Hinges or no hinges? Oh, you'll want both. We do have our pocket back here, and these. These are kind of nice, having the flap with the extra little photo areas. Well, what we can do is make these less fat. Perhaps we could put a false one on there and put the fake front on here to cover up this part of the pocket. And then I will think on it. I really like how these tie. It's kind of my favorite part. And then they open for photos. We have a pop-out photo mat. And we have one in here. We may leave these flaps off. Let me think on it. Okay. I do like those. Oh, who knows? This was kind of a complicated book. I am very sorry for that. I tend to like to complicate things so that it's more of a challenge for me. But I will, it's really not that complicated. It's time consuming. That's what it is. It's more time consuming. So, right now we have 1 and 2 done. So let's call it a day. And I'll catch back up with you tomorrow or the next day. Or the next day, depending on what day it is, and depending on what day I post these. Anyway, I will come back, maybe even later today, and work on the next piece. So we'll see. Anyway, I will see you all later. Bye-bye.